Hey everyone, welcome to the channel Squick Invest. Today's topic is for REIT investor. What are the tips to identify a good REIT? Let go. Tip 1. Location of property's assets. Check what the REIT owns and where. Choose REITs with assets in prime areas like Orchard, Raffles, Tampines Hub. Major developed markets Singapore, Japan, Australia. Avoid REITs with too many properties in one. Tier to third cities to high-risk countries. A good REIT example is Capital and Integrated. Commercial Trust DICT versus a struggling REIT with far-flung assets. Tip 2. Gearing ratio leverage. Next, look at gearing ratio. That's how much debt they have. A good REIT keeps it under 40%. Above 45% equals risky during rate hikes. Example 33% okay, 39% moderate, 47% bad. Tip 3. Dividend Track record. Lastly, check if they pay consistent dividends. Go to SGX website or REIT screener. Look for at least 5 years of stable payouts. To no major drops except COVID. Conclusion. That's it. 3 fast checks. 1. Where are the assets? 2. Is gearing less than 40%? 3. Has DPU been stable? This simple checklist helps you avoid the worst REITs. No accounting degree needed. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please do your own research or consult a licensed advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple investment insights, and comment below.